Hi everyone. Next comment that we want to take a look at is called cavity. So this one is to define a cavity by an external object. If you remember, in explaining these 2 points in geometry pickers, we also discussed about the cavity and the radius that you could create with those cavity. But here, what if you have another object? Let's say I have a box inside my box, and I don't want my cavity to look like a sphere. What you can do is after creating your structure inside the other envelope that you have. For example, I want that box inside of my bigger box, right? It's a little bit exaggerated example, but just to show you the results. Maybe I can just lift it a little bit higher. So yes, this should be better. Okay. And now I want to choose this one as a cavity. I click on this comment and select the cavity mesh and just enter. So when I entered, you see the color needs to turn to a little bit of let's say pinkish, and then go to compute. I always want my solid surface for better visualization, density and funk. Again, these are not necessary. These are only for better visualization and having a color. And then I click on compute. All right, there we go. So if I go back on Arctic, again, you can see that there are different layers here, which makes the shape a little bit strange. I go to the layer options here, turn off the defaults, turn off the meshes, and now you can see when I turn off the single surface and warnings, you can see that internal box, which is here, I'm going to hide that. The internal object has been also hidden, and you can see I created this cavity based on that external object inside of my structure. As I said, it's a little bit exaggerated example, but I wanted to show you how to use the cavity function.